Okay guys, it's time to take the Dragon off the table and give her a test ride in the streets. Alright, let's take the big beast down. I had to set up a ramp just to get her off the table because of her length. She tends to bottom out on the ramp, so if I set up these ramps, it helps it come off smooth. Time to take the Dragon beast down the road. But by the way, if you're wondering why I call her the Dragon beast, because that's her name. It's the Dragon. Alright, let me get it off the table. Set you guys up here. Okay, she's off the table safely. The best part about having the Dragon off the table is it frees up the table for my flathead so I can get the carburetor issue, intake issue fixed. So, last night, he has troubles with his front and rear brakes. So I bled the front caliper with my vacuum bleeder, and I got tons of air out of it. So I worked that for a little bit, and she seems to be working, but we'll see when I get her out on the road. I'll test the back one when I'm out on the road. The battery is dead. He needs a new battery. Charge it up. It won't handle the load. I think the problem is he's got too little of a cold cranking amp in here. This is a 310. He probably needs a lot bigger one. My Road King had a 410 or 460 in it. So come on, with this big motor, he should have a bigger cold cranking amp. Alright, let me start her up and get her out for a road test.